with another one.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D back with another video. Today's video is to show you how to remove the grille from a 2019 Hyundai Sonata front bumper cover. I'm going to let you see how the bumper looks. This is how the bumper looks. Okay, and show you the car that it's coming off of. This is the vehicle the bumper was removed from. Right here. Alright, let's show you how to take that grille out. Alright, so this right here is the inside of the bumper. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove all of these Phillips head screws. So in total there's 12. So if we start from the bottom left hand corner, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Then you have 9, 10, and up under here there are 2 more. So if I kind of lift this up just a little bit, you can see it in there. 11, and then all the way at the back there, 12, where that leaf is. So you have to take all 12 of those Phillips head screws out. You also have to remove these clips right here. These clips slide on and they're supposed to not slide back off, so you're gonna have to basically bend these teeth back towards you to be able to pull this off. Okay, you have to take off that one, and you also have to remove this one. That removes this cushion right here, so that you can get to those screws, that screw here and that screw right here. Now, after you remove all of the screws and this piece right here, if you can see these little clips right here, if you look at the top, see that little notch right there that's poking out? You're gonna have to take a flathead screwdriver and push that down, push it out, and do that all the way around. See that one? Push that notch down, push it out, and just keep going all the way around. It's a whole bunch of them. Okay, so one right there too. Pretty sure it's like one up under this. It's one right here. So you have to push all of these notches out. There's one right here, one up under here. All right. So remember, put a screwdriver here, push down on it, and while you're pushing down on it, push this out. And that right there will remove the actual grille from this front bumper cover. If you want to remove the Hyundai sign, you can see here, it's a screw here, and it's a screw here. And then you just got to push this notch in right here. And then the one on this side, push that notch in, and then this one right here, push it in and push the whole symbol out, or rondelle, or whatever you want to call it. And that's basically it, guys. This is J.O.A.T.D. I do have a video that shows you how to remove this front bumper cover. So for anybody who needs to know how to remove the front bumper cover, I have a video for that. All right, guys, I'm out.